Hi, I'm Kate and this is a quick review of the Oral-B IO toothbrush, and I have it in white. I really love this toothbrush. First of all, the design is great. By where the button is, it has a different kind of material, so there's extra grip. And then on the back, it's like corrugated, so you've got extra grip there for your fingers. It's very easy to charge. It comes with its own charging station. You just slot it in like this, and the charging wire is pretty long too, which is extra useful. One of my favorite features is that it goes with a range of different Oral-B heads, which is great. It means you can try out a bunch and see which suit you best. Then the toothbrush itself has 3 different modes. I'm going to play them all for you. So by pressing this button here, this is the first mode. And the second, the third, and the fourth time switches it off again. One of my favorite features, and that's quite unique to this toothbrush compared to others, is that when you press down on the toothbrush too hard and you put too much pressure, it will light up red, and this is a great indicator to go a little bit more gently on your gums. I particularly love how well the battery lasts. I've had electric toothbrushes in the past that started off pretty powerful, but over the course of a year I noticed the battery decrease rapidly. I haven't noticed that with this one, and it just does a really good clean as well. So overall, if you're looking for a new electric toothbrush with good battery life, that gives a good clean, that is compatible with a range of different toothbrush heads, I would definitely recommend this one.